Hello and welcome to Jordan Fountain Commercials. Now for today we have this 2024 Ford Transit 350 utility cab tipper. It's covered just over 36,000 miles. It's one owner with a full service history. If we take a look at the utility cab, you can see inside all been boarded out, absolutely lovely. Got metal that's replaced the windows, so giving you that extra security. It's got the utility spec, which includes the side stripes down both sides. We put a brand new highways maintenance Chevron board on the back for you. You've got your LED beacon up there as well. Tow bar with 13-pin electrics. And it's double rear wheel with a rear wheel drive. The tipper is operated from inside the cab, so if we switch it on, operate the joystick, you can see, goes up pretty swiftly. We won't take it all the way up. There you go. Nice and clean underneath there, the chassis mint. And if we step into the inside of the cab, you've got your usual leader spec with your electric windows. Turn that noise off, there you go. Start the engine. There you go, 36,235 miles. Got your multifunction steering wheel, your 6-speed gearbox. Little cup holder down here. Grey cloth seats. All in good order, storage underneath there, and the winning button, there it is, air conditioning, blowing, lovely and cold. Daylight today, 28 degrees, that button is absolutely fantastic. There you go. Still got the balance of the manufacturer's warranty. This vehicle is on site, it's prepped, it's ready to go. We can supply you with finance. Any questions, don't hesitate to get in touch and give us a call. Thank you.